Hey, this is Dr. Jon Gundlach, and today we're going to talk about concussions or TBIs, traumatic brain injuries. I have David here. David, have you had any concussions before?
Yes, two.
Two concussions, right? And so a lot of you guys have gone to specialists for concussions and they basically observe you, right? That's all they do is they say, we're going to observe until the problems go away. Think of a concussion, I always say, think of a teapot that's boiling, but there's a rubber stopper and there's no place for that pressure to go. Well, the stuff we do here is basically pulling out that rubber stopper, letting that steam out. So if we can take that pressure off, that head can heal a lot faster. So there's certain things that we do. We do active release technique, which is this muscle therapy that we can get in here and loosen up all the muscles in the back of the head. Amazingly, some of these muscles attach through the skull into the dura mater. And that actually, when it's tightened, the muscles are in spasm, it pulls down that dura mater, putting more pressure on the skull. So we loosen that up. Doing adjustments can really help take some of that pressure off. I use a laser where we can use the laser on the back of the head again to get rid of some of that inflammation. And then there's a really special technique called craniofacial release, where I actually insert a balloon into the nose and adjust the skull. Your skull is made up of 22 different bones, and as you breathe, your skull is supposed to expand and contract. And through all sorts of brain trauma and head injuries, that motion stops, and so you're not getting that pumping motion. And so that's a really great technique to make major change. Then I also love this product called Recovery, right? And it actually crosses the blood-brain barrier. It can really help with relief and improving symptoms. So if your kids suffered from a concussion and they're just sitting around and they're not getting better and they're having emotional issues and they're having trouble thinking or studying, give us a call because we can make some major change.